Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Anand Mahindra, delivering the convocation address for the year 2014. Thank you very much, sir. I now request Mr. Anand Mahindra to kindly award medals to the first and second rank holders graduating from the programs held at IMT Nagpur, please. Students, kindly line up, please, as close to the stairs as possible. The gold medal for the highest CGPA across all streams of PGDM goes to Shreya Jalan. The silver medal for the highest CGPA across all streams of PGDM goes to Sunil Gupta. The gold medal for PGDM General 2012-2014 goes to Sunil Gupta. And the silver medal for PGDM General 2012-2014 goes to Ajasvi Prasad. The gold medal for PGDM 2012 goes to Shreya Jalan. And this is for finance. The silver medal goes to Suchismita Dhal. PGDM Finance 2012-2014. The gold medal PGDM Marketing for 2012-2014 goes to Shilpi Bhandari. The silver medal for PGDM Marketing 2012-2014 goes to Shrutika Dayal. The gold medal for the best outgoing student goes to Anup Sharma for PGDM 2012-2014. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors. May I now request Dr. Ranjit Goswami, Officiating Director and Dean Academics of IMT Nagpur, to kindly administer the management oath to all the students of the graduating batch, and all the graduating students may now rise and take the oath, please.
Please repeat after me when I say quote until unquote. I, having qualified for postgraduate diploma in management, do solemnly take an oath that, to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, I will duly and sincerely bring my organization to excellence with utmost satisfaction to all the stakeholders. Utilize all resources placed at my disposal to achieve sustainable development in accordance with the rule of law, uphold principles of business ethics, and practice tenets of good governance. Unquote. May you prove worthy of being a true IMTian.
All the students who have pursued postgraduate diplomas in management from IMT Nagpur will now rise to take their diplomas. I'd like to request Professor Subodh Tagare, Faculty IMT Nagpur, to kindly usher in the PGDM students, please. May I now request Chairperson PGDM Program, IMT Nagpur, Dr. Jitendra Sharma, to kindly come up on the stage and present the students for the Postgraduate Diploma of Management, please. May I also request Dr. Ranjit Goswami, Officiating Director and Dean Academics, to kindly admit the graduating students, please.
Sir, I present to you the students of PGDM programs whose names appear on the list and who have been examined and found qualified for the postgraduate diploma in management, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Chairman and the Board of Governors of this institute, I admit you to the postgraduate diploma in management, and I charge you that ever in life and conversation you show yourself worthy of the same.
I now have the privilege in inviting Mr. Kamal Nath, Chairman Board of Governors of IMT Nagpur, to award the diplomas to the students of the graduating batch, please. I'm now calling out the names of the students of PGDM General IMT Nagpur. Are we ready, students? Akash Kishan, Ashima Dua, Abhinav Agarwal, Abhishek Garg, Adil Masood, Aditya Nag, Ame Meral, Ame Asood, Anish Agarwal, Ankita Das, Ankita Pandey, Anshul Kukru, Anshuman Singh, Ansuman Parida, Anuj Job Matthew, Anuja Sinha, Ankita Jha, Archana Sharma, Arpan Majumdar, Ashish Dhar, Avinash Anand. Avisha Shukla, Bhavneet Singh Uppal, Chaitra Naresh, Chirag Bansal, D. Ashish, Deepak Chandak, Dhara Mehta, Dipti Dhanuka, Divya Singh, Ishani Roy, Gaurav Kapshe, Gaurav Verma, Harshit Chugh, Jitesh Jamrani, Gautam Kishore Ji, Junaid Jafri, Kali M.M. Rajshekhar Reddy, Kanika Bhatia, Kirti, Keshav Bhatia, Krunal Jobanputra, Lohit TV, Love Sachdeva, Malav Chapya, Manish Maheshbhai Advani, Margaret Lawrence, Mihir Deshpande, Mohit Paliwal. Mohsin Agbani, Mudit Dikshit, Murtasa Kuwarewala, Nancy Pandey, Nayak Nisarg Bharat Bhai, Nikita Chawla, Nikita Kumar, Neeraj Deshpande, Nilesh Ramesh Kashkar, Nitish Chandra, Nuri Garg. Ojasvi Prasad, Pankhuri Swami, Parul Garg, Parvati Mohan, Philip Chako, Pratap Dhar, Priya Botra, Punya Shlok Divedi, Radha Sham Behra, Rajendra Gulati, Rajiv Pani, Ronak Gatani, Sachin Mitruka, Samiksha Kalra, Sanchit Agarwal, Sarat S, Saurabh Shah, Sayona Maitra, Shishir Kumar Pratik, Shivam Kumar, Shruti Sharma, Subhangi Khare, Smriti Masi, Snehal K. Sharma, Sonia Arora, Sudeep Jain, Sugandh Jindal, Suneet Shom, Sunil Gupta, Sunil Mohanty, Shupriya Bhogale, Tanvi Sareen. Tavishi Gurnani, Twinkle Jain, Upendra KS, Utkarsh Srivastava, Vaibhav Daga, Vardhan Negi, Vineet Verma, Varneet Lakhani, Vikram Singh Thakur, Vinay Goyal, Vinayak Goldar, Vineet Nagar, Vipin Goyal, Vishaka Sugandh, Vishal Golcha, Vivek Narayanan, Vivek Gautam, Vrinda Khanna, Yashashvi Singh Tomar, Siddharth Mathur, Hardik Parashar. I'll now call out the names of the students of the Postgraduate Diploma in Management Finance. Akanksha Garg, Abhishek Agarwal, Abhishek Ankur, Abhishek Bansal, Abhishek Gupta, Abhinash Dash, Aditi Sarkar, Aditya Kapoor, Aditya Kaushik, Akanksha Verma, Akansha Bhargava, Akash Agarwal. Ankur Chandak, Ankur Kumar Kandve, Anup Sharma, Anshul Chaudhary, Anu Agarwal, Apurva Gupta. Arjun Kakdia, Ashish Gupta, Ashish Kumar Gupta, Ayan Banerjee, Bhavna Daga, Chetan Chauhan, Chirag Sharma, G. Snigdha, Gorisha Singh, Gunjan Nimje. Harshur Mittal, Khushbul Gokul Gandhi, Kritika Jain, Mansi Singhal, Meghna Bhatia, Monica Shevran, Mukul Walia, Natasha Oberoi. Navneet Makharia, Neeti Agrawal, Nikita Raut, Pallav Garg, Pankaj Kumar Nikhare, Paramveer Singh Hansra, Phalguni Banerjee, Purti Sachdeva, Pradeep Rawat. Pragati Vishwakarma, Pranoy Chakrabarti, Prasoon Srivastav, Pratik Gupta, Pritiman Mohapatra, Priyamvada Gaur, Rahul Ghosh, Rajputra Singh, Rakesh Datta, Rashmi Rani, Richa Sharma, Rijo Roy. Rishabh Shah, Ritvika Deb, Riya Prasad, Rohit Goel, Roshni Chhabra, Ronak Virdi, Rupa Dipanju, Sahil Sehgal, Sakshi Nagar, Sanchita Mathur, Saurabh Srivastava, Saurabh Singhal, Saurabh Surana. Sashank Dovrial, Shekhar Lachi Ramka, Shreya Khandelwal, Shreya Shirke, Shreya Tiwari, Shubham Saxena, Srinivasa Krishnan. Subhendu Das, Suchi Mittal, Sneha Goyal, Shubham Lohia, Suchitmita Dhal, Shupriya Jain, Surbhi Mehta, Tanmay Shah, Tulip Agarwal, Ujjwal Ashok Bed, Umang Ritolia, Vaibhav Dayal, Varun Agarwal, Vibhor Goyal, Vignesh R, Vinay Chhabra, Vivek Barman, Shreya Jalan. I'll now call out the names of the students of the Postgraduate Diploma in Management in Marketing. Akash Sharma, Aarti S, Abhishek Dua, Abhishek Mukherjee, Achintya Kumar Das, Aditya Mohan, Aditya Sharan, Aditya Satyam, Ajay Tomar, Aman Verma, Angika Yadav, Anirudh Singhal, Ankit Sharma. Thank you. Ankit Singh, Ankur Dahiya, Anuradha Chatterjee, Anurupa Banerjee, Anusha Krishnan, Apurv Dwivedi, Arpita Mukherjee, Ashish Saxena, Avirup Biswas, Ayush Agarwal, Bangaru G. Vignesh, Anubha Bhatnagar, Brighu Mohanty, Vijay Kumar Nath. Chakradhar Shah, Chandan Kumar Singh, Chandni Sinha, Devanshu Divya, Devotso Maulik, Dhilan Priyadashi Das, Gaurav Prakash, Gaurav Rao, Harsh Lapasya, Shravan Kumar, Jatin Gupta, Karan Chopra, Kriti Srivastava, Kumar Abhijit, Kunal Bhadani, Mahavir Mehta, Makrand Rajiv Joshi, Manish Kumar, Mayank Tandon, Mohit Sharma, Mohnish Waikar, Monica Sindhu. Nagafani Ramya, Vineet Suresh Nair, Nayan Sharma, Nitya Agarwal, Pallavi Sharma, Nimit Gupta, Pooja Singhi. Pratik Goyal, Preeti Yadav, Puneet Bharadwaj, Radhika Agarwal, Rahul Dev, Rahul Mishra, Rahul Pant, Ram Chaturvedi, Ravi Kumar, Rishabh Mathur, Ritika Gupta, Rochelle Pereira. Rohit Krishna, Roshan Das, S. Preet Karan Bhatia, Sachin Luthra, Sagar Ahuja, Ronak Chandak, Sagar Panchal, Sahastrajit Singh, Saksham Vijay Mendirata, Saptarshit Dasgupta, Satakshi Rani, Soumya Jain, Saurabh Seth, Saurabh Sharma, Saurabh Mohata, Setu Krishna. Shafiq Gajdhar, Shilpi Bhandari, Shrutika Dayal, Shweta Hasija, Shweta Singh, Sneha Ramesh, Saurabh Vinod Deshmukh, Srinath Chandramauli, Suhasini Verma, Sumesh Tibrawal. Sumit Sharma, Sunny Krishna Sehgal, Swapnil Garg, Tanvi Harshad Parmar, Tom Thompson, Udit Mittal, Vaibhav Goel, Venkatesan R, Vibhor Sharma, V. Vijay Kumar, Vinay Khanna. Vishal Munka, Vishal Wadhwa, Komal Modi, Alu Virijay. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors. I I now have the pleasure in requesting Mr. Kamal Nath, the Chairman of the Board of Governors, IMT Nagpur, to formally announce the closing of the convocation, please.
I declare this convocation as closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now request you to kindly rise for the national anthem, please. I request the student volunteers to kindly render the national anthem, please.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing till the convocation procession leaves the pandal, please.